A room tour? Wait, Sad, y'all want a room tour? Y'all want a room tour? Y'all want a room tour? Yes or no? Yes or no? Oh, it's lagging, bro. God damn. Oh, it's lagging, bro. God damn. Chad, is it lagging? God damn, is it lagging? Chad, is it lagging? God damn, is it lagging? Yo. Yo, bro. All right, it's not lagging. Okay. All right, Lion, look, let me give y'all a room tour, okay? So first, that is my Wi-Fi. That's my that's some, I don't even know what that is. And here, let me take this down. And I have a CR7 right here. And I have deodorant, shampoo, boom, Luffy right there. Sexy man Luffy. And this is my item that 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 yeah. This is my closet. I don't really show my closet that much. This is my closet. And Ronaldo's right there. Ronaldo's right there. And this is then my bed right there. I know my room's probably dirty. I'm gonna clean it. I'm gonna clean it. You know, that's pretty much it, bro. That's pretty much it. I got hats up there and all my shoes down there and all them clothes and stuff. And this is, what is this? Oh, this is my dirty clothes. But this is it though. Double row room. Is it trash? I know it's probably trash. Double row room. Is it trash? L room, dirty as fuck. I'm gonna clean it, bro. I'm gonna clean it live on stream. Bro. I just don't know what else I could do, like. And my girlfriend right there. Chat. That's all I'm gonna show y'all. My girl right here. That's all I'm gonna say. My girl right there. That's all I'm gonna say.